let's open up my latest City Beach selects together. Oh my goodness, I've seen so many girls in this bikini and they look amazing in it, so I decided I must have it, especially because these are the colors of 2026. The beautiful yellow, pink and brown combo. How sweet is this with the halter neck and then the matching bottoms? I love this color combo. The weather has not actually been that great recently in Queensland, so I'm going to pack them in my car, hoping for a sunny beach day. But how cute. So we've got this cute bikini. Then I also chose some cute little basic tops to mix and match with my other City Beach bottoms that I have. So I got this little strapless top in baby yellow, and it's actually so comfortable, and just with this little fold over detail, it's so cute. So I got it in the baby blue. Love. Then if you don't already have their basic cami, you definitely need to get them. They come in so many colors. They're a really soft like cotton, and they also have adjustable straps, which is so good for my girlies that need to adjust those straps. So I got that in black so I can mix and match this, but I thought it would actually look really good with the lace skirt. So as we girlies know, I had to size up in this skirt, so I decided to get the black in a size 6. Just so cute. And then with just like a basic black top, like it's like Slade, so beautiful. I feel like it just really elevates your look, so I had to get that. And then I saw this dress and I was like, OMG, gorge. So I chose this dress. It is called the Halo Midi dress, and it's got a halter moment, which I just love because it just means it fits me better usually. And I love the mesh fabric. It always just looks so flattering on. We've got a gorgeous pink hibiscus. Like, this is so cute that I might actually chuck it on today. Like, I am obsessed. Thank you so much, City Beach.